Alright, this is an action figure review for Bandi's Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Two Headed Parrot figure. And I no longer have him in the package, so what I'm going to do is show you a picture of his packaging so you get the idea of where he came from. Alright, and here he is out of the package, ready to be reviewed. Sorry, I gotta do this one-handed again. No, I usually don't, but right now I have no choice. Let's take a look at the figure. I like him. He looks just like the monster in that episode, Two Heads Are Better Than One. It's pretty cool. I mean, he's not like perfect, but he's pretty good. Plus it was made for kids. He's painted accurate. It's actually painted on the back, which is surprising for Bandi. Comes with a gimmick as well. Okay, so articulation wise, all you can do is he has no articulation in the head up here. On the shoulder, you can go up as far as up to there and go back down. And each leg is on a ball joint, so they can go forward and back and side to side. Okay, and that's it. Same thing on the other side, but he does have a gimmick for this beak. Push this button right here and he opens his mouth. Push in far enough, it'll stay. You can see inside. Okay, his accessories are this shield, which is inaccurate because not once did he use a weapon. The only weapon he used was like his claws right here, and he used his feathers to launch him, but you can't do that here. So he comes with his shield, which is inaccurate. He never had a shield. They just gave it to him because they thought, oh, why not? He shouldn't just be in the box with nothing, so we'll give it to him. So at least they sculpted it alright, you know, it's like a shield and then like feathers, so it matches him. Matches him alright. Why not? And this axe, which is also inaccurate. He didn't use the axe either, but it kind of matches him, like the color, and like there's like an eye on it. So yeah, why not? It kind of matches him. You can do storylines if you want. And also, it comes with this. It comes with two, but right now I can only find one. It's a missile. It goes in his mouth, and that's the gimmick. It's for it to go in his mouth. So you put it in. It's locked and ready, and then he shoots it when you push it. See how far it goes. Not too bad. I'll put the accessories on and see how he looks with it. And here he is holding his axe and his shield. Doesn't look too bad. Why not? They can fight the Power Rangers with something. But yeah, the shield has a little articulation right here. It can just turn for no reason. Not sure why, but why not? You can use like a hypnotizing. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, his size is about 5 inches. Around there. To give a comparison, I'll bring in other figures. There's also Bandi's Mighty Morphin Power Ranger Billy, the Blue Ranger, Fliphead, who's a little taller than him. Who's kind of dumb. But also they made the legs look way more straighter than his. Like, I don't know. So not only is he short, but like his legs are like, they don't look perfectly straight. But that's just what Bandi gave us. That's what they gave us to play with. And here's also Bandi's Super Legends Zeo Ranger Gold. It's pretty cool. Not too bad. He's pretty much the same as them, but just like slightly taller, just like not even an inch. Yeah, so you can put him in any Power Ranger collection, pretty much. Why not? I had him when I was a kid. This one and the Nasty Knight and like Lord Zed. That was all the monsters I had when I was younger. I re-got him to go with my new section of Power Rangers I was making. It's pretty cool. I missed him. Cool. Alright. That was the Two Headed Parrot from Bandi. Thanks for watching.